I am going to explain how to generate contour from survey data. Just open the AutoCAD. Click the menu, go to new, select here matrix option. Okay. Then you type the survey command. The ribbon bar will appear in the top of the screen. Go to import and select the CSV file. Serial number 150. Just to plot data. See, first create a boundary. For that, you create a one layer. New boundary. I will click some regular. Okay. I set it as a current W. So you connect the BC point. Before that, you set the ocean up. Node point is selected. Just draw the boundary line by connecting the BC points. So for giving width, you can put W command and select the boundary line and give the width of 1 meter. So it will come like this. Suppose if you want to change the line type, go to layer again and set the line type here. Just load it. Put dash dot. Just again you load it. See. If you feel the gap is not sufficient, you can go to properties and set the line type scale. I put some 0.5. See, this is the boundary. Next we will insert the symbols. For symbols, just we'll create one layer tree. The green color. Click OK. So if you are going to make a drawing in 1/1000 scale, the height of the block should be 1.5 meter to 2 meter. If you are going to make the block drawing in 500 scale, then your height will be 0.75 meter. The block's height will be. So now I am going to make a block in 1/1000 scale. Then my height would be 1.5 meter. So what I will do, I will set the layer here. So I will create one block symbol. Then ortho on it. A press just endpoint arc enter. So like this we make one block. For giving name, go to block command, put it -b, enter the block name CT. Whatever you have used in the code, survey code is the same name has to be followed in the drawing also. So I am putting the CT because I have followed the code for coconut tree CT. Same I am using here also CT. endpoint I have made this and select the block like this. Now trees CT is over, coconut tree is over. And one more block we will create electrical pole for electrical pole. EP. I'll create some red glare or something. Double click it. First one circle 1.5 meter radius. So this means the 0.75 should be there. Like this. Block EP. So now I have created EPN tree block. For inserting at a time based on the code, all the blocks will be inserted automatically wherever the code and your block names are matches. So I will go to insert. So I will select the option insert all. Just select the entire drawing. See, just done. You can see coconut tree symbols are inserted into drawing. See EP. Wherever the codes matches, all the places the block will be inserted automatically. So next we will move for some digitizing of some buildings and well component and what about structures. For building, I will create a layer building. Shortcut I will put it BLDG. 30 color I will use. Put it SN command. Take a polyline. Just arc on it. One offset point is missed out, so no problem. So put it in building layer. So layer, go to layer and change the line type. Building also. Zero first, change the cursor position. Go to edge. Then you go for select option. Yes, enter. Just to save the drawing. Use some name for that. See if I want it. I have saved the drawing. So please, before making contour, ensure that all the levels are taken on the ground, but not in some like a benchmark height or electrical some above the ground level. If any points are taken above the ground, that should be removed from the CSV before plotting it. So now I am going to contour option. So it's just a draw triangles. See, you remove some unnecessary these triangles which are not required. Okay, so enough. So you can see the level difference. Minimum is 95 and maximum is 105. So I can put my contour minor interval and major interval. So depend on our requirement. If the contours are plotting very closely, then you can increase the interval according to our client requirement or the visibility of the drawing. So now by default I am giving 0.5 and 2.5 major interval. It should be 5 times than the minor interval. Suppose if you are using zero point 0.1, then you put a major interval should be 0.5. If you are 0.2, that major interval would be 1 meter. So accordingly, you can set the major interval. So label height also, if your printing scale is 1:1000, you put it 1.2. If you are printing in 500 scale, then you put 0.6 label height. So anyhow, so it is I am preparing the plan in 1:1000. I am putting 1 point minimum height is 1.5 for label height. So next I am going to draw contours. The contours are plotted successfully. I have to place the labels over the contours. For that I am going to click the option display labels. The fence line method, interval method, endpoint and pick point. So I choose interval option. Say I put every 50-meter interval. Just select complete this drawing. The labels are plotted automatically. Okay, that's it. Thank you.